Hi guys, this is Patrick Cañete from thepigs.com. At last February 10, 2017, in-announce ng PLDT ang bagong set ng mga devices para sa kanilang mga PLDT Home Fiber subscribers. Now, itong bagong line of devices includes an ultra-fast Wi-Fi router, a child-friendly internet modulator, and a new smartwatch that helps you track and communicate with your kids. Now, let's take a quick look on these devices. Now, PLDT partnered with D-Link. Well, kung hindi kayo familiar, itong D-Link ay isa sa mga leaders that manufactures mga networking devices like routers, at marami pang iba. Now, together with PLDT, they are bringing the AC3200 ultra-fast Wi-Fi. This monster of a router promises a more fast and reliable connection via its tri-band frequency. Now, a tri-band wireless router like this is made to cater those households na sobrang daming devices ang nakakonect sa kanilang wireless router. For example, marami kayo sa bahay nyo kasama ng mga pinsan mo at nanay mo, tatay mo, of course, lahat sila may smartphones na or meron din kayong smart TV at may kayo mag-Netflix and chill. Then, itong tri-band router ay talagang makakatulong sa inyo. Now, I will not get into the more technical details. But basically, having a tri-band router means that kahit sobrang daming devices na nakakonect dun sa router nyo, magiging equal and even pa rin yung speed na mabibigay niya sa bawat devices. So, kahit sabay-sabay kayong connect, consistent pa rin yung speed na mabibigay ng router sa bawat device. So, not necessarily na bibilis yung connection nyo since nakadepende pa rin yun dun sa plan nyo. Pero having a tri-band router makes more sense dito sa PLDT fiber since nga, technically, sobrang mabilis talaga dapat yung fiber pero kung mabagal din naman yung router mo, sobrang nasasayang yung bandwidth na binabayaran nyo. At syempre, huwag rin natin kalimutan i-discuss yung looks nito router na to. Since ultra-fast nga siya, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang 6 na antennas na pag binaliktad mo, medyo mukha siyang nakakatakot na gagamba. Pero, mabilis talaga siya. So, yun na lang isipin nyo. Ngayon, kung tingin nyo medyo overkill tong router na to, PLDT is also offering the AC1900 Wi-Fi router. Now, of course, medyo same performance lang din naman sila. Although, ito nga lang is medyo may less creepy na looks. As you can see on the image, meron naman siyang 2 antennas. So, of course, since 2 antennas niya, possible na medyo mas maliit yung coverage. But all in all, they're almost the same. And other than these 2 new wireless routers, PLDT also introduced this new FamZone box, a device that manages the network access of the connected devices in your network. The company is marketing it as a device that helps you monitor and control what your kids are accessing on the internet, which is really beneficial since karamihan talaga sa mga kabataan ngayon ay nasa internet lang lagi at naglalaro gamit ang kanilang smartphones or tablets. Basically, ang ginagawa nitong FamZone box is, it allows you to block pornography websites, restrict access to social media networks and YouTube contents, disable device features including the camera, limit app downloads and in-app purchases, which really makes sense considering na sobrang dami natin nakikitang news, wherein nagugulat na lang yung mga parents sila na sobrang laki na ng credit card bill nila. Dahil yung mga anak nila ay purchase lang ng purchase ng mga, I don't know, credits or gems sa paborito nilang laro. It also restricts access to mobile games and applications, remote administration and management, and of course, set user profiles and settings. And meron na rin smartwatches from PLDT. Well, of course, kumuha lang din sila ng third-party partner para makapag-release ng itong device. At isa sa mga smartwatch na pinakilala nila ay this one from Alcatel. Now, kung makikita niyo yung design niya ay medyo appealing talaga para sa kanyang target market, which is yung mga bata. PLDT is actually marketing it as a device that will help you communicate or track your kids. Now, PLDT Fiber is also offering 2 new security cameras, which are also from D-Link, and of course, they're calling it the FamCams. Now, we have actually talked about these cameras on a separate video, which will be linked up there, or I guess here. It features 2 new D-Link cameras. The basic one, which has a built-in microphone and a motion and sound detector, while the advanced FamCam has the same features but is equipped with a speaker for two-way communication, pan, tilt, and zoom function, and a microSD card slot. These cameras, as what PLDT is advertising it, helps you monitor your family and home from wherever you are. Now let's talk about pricing. You can get the tri-band wireless router for an additional of 699 pesos per month. The FamZone box is available for 299 per month and is payable for 24 months. And you can also get the smartwatch for an additional 199 per month. And for further details and application process, you can check out the PLDT website linked below. And basically that's it. This is again Patrick Cañete from thepigs.com. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share this video if you liked it, and also subscribe if you still haven't. Thank you for watching.